waited for this day. We shed some tears of love now, like a desert in the rain. When some of the dead are waking up, yeah. There's nobody like my moon. There's no place like my home since I was born. When I was young, the flavor is so strong. I've missed it so long, yeah.
Don't need fame and fortune, I just need your company. When your fears and worst nightmares come true, no, I by you.
Alrighty. Okay, is everyone ready? Everyone ready? Where's Laz? Richard Lowry. Bring us some fresh badger milk this morning. Alright, is everyone good? Everyone's still in the game? If you're not in the game, I don't know what to tell you. It's been a cracker week.
Because you move me, baby, don't you prove me wrong this time. Wrong this time, wrong this time. Because you move me, baby, don't you prove me wrong this time.
Okay. Let's lock it in. A little bit of a late start for me. Locked out of my own office. Where's Richard Lowry, guys? This man literally came. Keegs, protector of my P&L. Will you just answer that while I psych the guys up here? But really, guys, how are you doing? Talk to me. Talk to me for real, yeah. How are you guys doing? Please talk to me. Please talk to me. How are you guys really feeling? Talk to me. Nothing wrong if you had a shit week, okay? Nothing wrong if you had a good week. Who's that, Keegs?
They just said the Porsche is ready, bro.
No, man, for real now.
Now your kids' bikes are ready.
My kids' bikes. Bikes?
Yeah, they said that your kids' bikes that you took in or you bought or something is ready for you.
Where are they phoning from?
Something sports.
Yo, no. I'm confused.
Bicycles?
Then I bought new bicycles, but it could be the older one I took in. Okay, I think
They just said it's ready for you.
Oh shit, okay.
So that might be the older one you took in.
Okay.
Yeah, then that's ready. But you
People,
said your kids' bikes. That was
bikes, so plural. Bikes.
No, bikes.
Bike, okay.
Yeah, you said it's ready.
Tribo, your Insta stories is fire. Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys
I
aren't
told
ready.
you.
You guys aren't ready.
My students doing well on social media
Yeah,
now.
Kiki. Kigo. Chad, you guys aren't missing anything. I'm protecting you guys, yeah. We are not close to anything, yeah.
Not too good. Let my family down by blowing a card. You don't let any family down, my brother. When you trade with a emotional connection, it's always going to go south. Trade, do it for yourself. Remember, you need to become a good trader first before you start chasing the money.
Sure. Keegan dropping wisdom today. Keegi with the wisdom. Alright guys, we're going to start here. I'm going to actually ask Keego. Keegs, if you can do a powerful prayer here this morning for the chat. Right. Second last session of the week. Last session on YouTube with the guys. Let's get ready. Let's stay focused and let's give honor where honor is due. So let's bow our heads and let's get into prayer.
There we go. Chad, let's get ready to pray. Dear Heavenly Father, we come before you again as we get ready to wrap up this week. We want to thank you for every single blessing you give upon us. The small ones, the bigger ones. For sometimes guiding us in life where we don't understand why. But that can be in the sense of leading us down new career paths. Putting people in our lives that you know are there for a reason to either help guide us, change us, shape us. And at the same time, taking people out of our lives sometimes who might not always be the best things for us. There might have been lessons or things we had to learn from those, but there's always a plan. Maybe even when we don't understand it, but we know you do, and it's always part of your overseeing plan and insight for us. Lord, we just want to pray that you continue to be here with us, guide us, protect us as we finish up and go into this long weekend. I want you to pray that you can be there with any of the kids that are traveling and going into sports this weekend, that you can be there and protect them and give them good health. Any of the parents that might be traveling, Amen. Give them safe travels. And then to the rest of us, again, just enjoying that time. Enjoy being with family, enjoy being with your loved ones. Take every single day as that gift from God. We want to just pray, Lord, that you can be here with us as we take on this final day, as we continue to grow this community, not for monetary purposes, but for the idea of seeing something greater, Lord. Something greater than these materialistic things, but a community that lifts and praises your name. A community that doesn't see shape, color, age, but just the idea of that connection, that one common ground of you, Lord. We want to continue to grow and just get closer to you every single day. So, Lord, that we pray that you can be here with us and be with every single one of these individuals as you continue to bless us, even though we don't always deserve it, but we know that you always are so grateful with it. Lord, we pray all this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen.
And this is where his people can drop an amen.
Amen.
Keys. Believe.
Keys, you can't. Bro, that prayer was one of the top 3, I'm going to say, powerful. But you can't say stuff like shape. Like we can't. Right, Keegs, we can't do shape, my bro.
I needed to say it another way without making it sound bad, and shape was the first thing that popped in my head there, bro.
Shape. Yeah, Steve, my boy. Talking about shape here. You got to prepare me for that. Like, now I know that is in the vocab, but you gotta come right here. Alrighty, guys. I'm not gonna waste anyone's time. We've got 5 minutes here. Very simply, for the mentors, welcome here this morning.
Always good to have you back.
Always good to see you guys here. Bringing value.
You know, that's actually, we joke about this, guys. Sorry, bro, but I was actually meant to show you this the other day. And the reason I'm saying this is because the guy's a SMC trader. Never traded anything else. They are unique. No other mentors, community is doing what they're doing. And I always say this, you can go back on their own content and see it for yourself. But then they share something with their members. And all of a sudden, their members, where's this thing, bro? I need to find this out for you guys quickly.
I think it is.
Their members are now who?
Movie next 6 months. Movie time.
No. I'm looking, bro. Where's this thing gone? I have it there, chat. I promise you. But all of a sudden, they are now just trading Asia range, and they are trading volume profiles and point of control.
Wow.
I wonder where they saw that one from.
Guys, let's not open this up. I was most excited for my Mansory Under Armour collab, yeah.
Bro, where's this thing, guy?
Guys, check this. Under Armour Man 3.
Let's check it there. It's clean, bro. That's clean.
Like the badge there. Vaultfunder Man 3. Bro, this looks fire.
It's very sick, bro.
Man 3.
Man.
Looking on the logo.
It's dope.
Chad. Look at this. Under Armour Man 3.
Oh, check it, bro. Nice sweep of the Asia lows. Check there.
Okay.
And I'm just saying, we always know a rat when we see a rat. I know he's close with these boys, so
We're watching you.
just be careful. Be careful. We know where you are, and we're not scared to stamp on a rat when we see one.
Alrighty, guys. Dollar bullish while we're above that level. That's your bull bear level. US 30, very simple. Inside of the range, that's your breakout level. We're either going to stay inside of this range, or we're going to break out. Very, very simple. Take your screenshots now. Mentors. Be quick, be quick. 1, 2, 3.
Kyle, I agree with that logic there, bro. Get one for keys as well and put the 2G's logo on it.
Bull bear level for NAS is right here. If we hold above, we're going bullish. If we start breaking below, we are going bearish. Take your screenshots there. I even put little arrows for you. Gold, very simple. That's your bull bear level. Bearish while we stay below that zone. Looking for sells. And if we start trading above, I will look for buys. That's why I'm so chill this morning. We're not in zone for anything. Same thing with BTC. Inside of this range, if we reject there, looking to fill the range, looking for buys there. Very simple as well. Take screenshots now. At least go mark it on your own chart before you share it in your Telegram. Please just do us that favor at least. Okay, Daxi, bull bear level. Bullish if we hold above, bearish if we start breaking below. Okay, that is also a breakout level. Not looking for sells there. Take your screenshots now. 3, 2, 1. And then oil, same thing. Bull bear level. Yesterday playing out absolutely perfectly, but nonetheless. And that's oil as well. Take your screenshots now. And the markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the penultimate round. Round 9. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. Keegs, over to you, my brother. Okay. Then I just got a little sweatband.
A sweatband.
Sweatband.
A cream band.
Just got a little.
Damn, bro, you actually went in on it, eh?
Got a little hoodie.
You're taking this running thing seriously, eh?
There's my runners, bro.
Nah, bro, where's the gel?
Brown foil.
At the same time, you just pull out the mandatory jacket.
No, all of this was a special, bro. I always... Chad, I always wait for these discounts and then, bro, I think the shoes were like 1, 2.
Ah, but those are clean.
They said it's running shoes. I don't know.
I think those are like normal trainers. I don't know how soft that sole is, but they just look like normal trainers.
These soles are soft.
Oh,
Oh, wow. That's soft. Yeah, shin splints on the way, my dude. Yo, these look fast, my dude.
Cha! A little goosey there. We're gonna go put you on the grey face there, bro.
Little
Man's gonna go show those boys how it's done.
Just watch out. Exactly.
Alright guys, let's just dive in quickly. Dollar. Remember I said to you guys I'm going to stay bullish at this point. Really just want to see a bit of a pullback. We'll see what happens basically when we hit that 200, and the same time if we can push to the 99 level. So basically this area, this is where we want to see price get to, where that's where we'll see if we get the breakout or if we break back and reject off of that area. Okay, so that's what I'm basically waiting for with dollar. Finishing up the week, it's going to be interesting where we finish there. When you do have a look at the weekly, it is a nice bit of a bullish candle bouncing off the monthly S1. And keep in mind that next week obviously we wrap up the month, so if this finishes like this and we do bounce, we basically held that. So going into the next month we can see a little bit of a continuation move back up here, and then really going for that gap closure. So we'll just monitor and see what happens there. Going over to Nas also very much bullish still. It is a bit tough when you want to be on the other side of it, but markets were a bit choppy. I think the rest of this week we actually had some good price action. I don't want to lie to you guys about that, but why is this thing so high all of a sudden? We had some good price action, but yesterday for me it was a bit choppy, so we'll see what happens today. A little bit of a gap up here on the side, but we'll see what happens there. So Asia low has been set and tested. Asia high is untested still, so what we can monitor here is if we have that break of Asia lows again, I'll probably look at that gap fill where almost look for the EQ grabber play to go bullish. Otherwise, if we run here, I'll just look for Asia highs to hold with previous daily highs, that's all-time highs, and then continue bullish from that perspective. Then is Chris good? Oh, he's tried out his shoes. Then with gold, I said to you guys I am bearish on gold. So we're going to just see what happens there. Nice moves coming into yesterday. This morning, our normal 4-hour OES plays playing out beautifully. Again, same thing I said to you guys. If you remember, yeah, if you go to the 15, even if we go to the 5, for example, you'll see it. One thing you can pick up on this chart is we've constantly been having stairways up, escalator down, stairway up, escalator down, stairway, escalator. So right at this point, that's just your typical lower high, holding weekly S1 nicely, same way we'd see anything else. So if this we can get underneath Asia lows, previous daily low, you want to target daily S1. Daily S1 can break. That's the idea of seeing daily S1 to daily S2. So we'll just see what happens, but it is Friday, so not going to expect anything too drastic or crazy. But that is my outlook for the day, guys. So we'll see what we can get you on gold. Chris, run across the office for us to show us how fast those shoes are.
Bro, they're fast.
Fast,
my dude.
Whoop whoop. Here we go.
Okay, ladies and
Chris with the Under Armour sponsor.
Bro, all of this coffee, I've got a poof now, my bro.
Always starting to inspire me to maybe incorporate some running in this prep. Hey. Bro, we low-key starting up our own little club here. Think of it. I started running, now you started running, Laz is running again. We got a little squad going here.
Okay, guys, I'm good. Let's see.
We're gonna create a running club without creating a running club.
Bro, did you see I live streamed my walk yesterday?
Bro, so I saw it, but you only did what, 10 seconds?
Like
Bro.
2 minutes.
I went, because I saw you started it, so I was like, is he really gonna do it? And then by the time I went on and went into it, you already ended it.
Etie, weet jy of jy kan onthou wat Johan Ackerman altyd vir toe die leeu so op 'n run was nie? How I poof in, boys, is energy. So,
Might also start running due to the diesel price.
so ek hou maar daai poefie in my chom. Where Kakaman Keeks? Okay, let me lock in here. Yes, ek gaan net kyk hier, ek gaan dalk moet poef my chom. Maar dan is ek uit vir die res van die session, maar dat is ook fine. Keys, I'm gonna have to poo, my bro. Like, dude. Telling you now. 2 big coffees. And Laz didn't even get me the tall, he got the grande, my dude. I'm already feeling a little over caffeinated. Okay, DAX is at a level where... Okay, 53 minutes we've got the news coming out.
This is a little drop and go, bro.
Yes, I'm gonna have to poo, my bro.
Bro, you can take tips from Odin, bro. You must see how that dog gets FOMO. He quickly drops, nips that thing off, and he carries on.
Really?
You can see that man's not complete, bro. He'll come back later when like all the excitement's done.
Little nip taxi.
Bro, check how crazy this is. We did like a comparison thing last night. How much he's flipping grown actually. Like we don't even realize, but yeah, he's growing at a rate now.
Oh yeah, I saw those comparisons.
The 3 months versus 5 months,
Yeah,
bro.
bro,
Holy
massive.
crap.
So let's see if we've got something that we can execute on, boys and girls. I'm just gonna set some alerts before I go.
Check out this, guys. This is literally the difference in 2 months. I don't know how much of that you can see. Wait, where's this camera's always weird, bro. Right there. That is delayed, so I don't know if I'm holding the right spots. Check it out. Literally space of 2 months. He's like doubled. But he's a monster.
Guys, I'm gonna set my alerts here quickly.
I really we must get you one, bro.
No, if I ever get a big dog again, I'll get a bull terrier, bro. I love them.
Plato coffee. Yeah, I had a Plato earlier, and now I'm on Seattle.
Okay, I just wanna set my alerts.
Why did the G's get fit without me?
Okay, let me just scan one more time before I run.
Chris has got his own training squad going though.
How do you see my little squad?
Bro, I love how the guys are so surprised that you talk Afrikaans to the kids.
Really? We are Afrikaans. Alrighty guys, so
Ordered my supplements as a 2-week delivery time. Where the hell did you order from, Anna?
okay guys.
Is this like straight from, I can't even say overseas because you are overseas.
Keeks, I'll be back. I'm literally, I can't operate like this. Like I'm already getting that little butt sweat from
Even the dog is Afrikaans, 100%. The dog's out there with what you tune. My wife made me sign an agreement. Next year we start trying for kids and I'm obliged to only speak Afrikaans to them. Yeah, that's my game plan when we have kids. They'll do English with us and they'll do Afrikaans with Chris. As I can't teach it to them. Neither can Kate. So... But it's quite funny, we always laugh. All our friends are Afrikaans. Let's see here. Bro, I love how guys are even using AR images to sell their cars now. What are people doing? She's obsessed with languages. She'll handle the German and Spanish. Damn, bro. How many languages are your kids gonna speak? Ordered from Germany, keys, and they need to deliver to Switzerland, which is literally next door. Hey. I would have expected that Amazon same day delivery shit, bro. We're aiming for 4 languages, it's easy for kids. Damn. Bro, I barely do 2. But I have heard that obviously when you are kids you do take it in a lot easier. Don't worry guys, don't miss anything. I'm obviously watching the charts, but there is nothing on these charts so far. Guys, I'm not missing anything. We're gonna still see what we can get. Damn, I barely got an English down. Yeah, Etty, that's the thing, bro. I keep seeing everyone's talking about him making his debut, but I haven't seen it anywhere. Like, have they actually released the squad? Because I want to see officially that he's on. Like, is he starting? Is he coming off the bench? But I did see even the DHL did post saying obviously this weekend Miller takes the field. So obviously he definitely is, but I just want to know, is he starting? What's happening? I think he's going to come off the bench though. But I mean, flip, bro, what a team to make your debut against, because the Glasgow's centre pairing is literally bench today only. Glasgow centre pairing is literally the British and Irish line centre pairing. So he's going to really have a good challenge. So to see how he is on attack against them, to see how he is on defense against them, it's going to be a very good challenge for him. So I think if he can have a big debut, bro, against them, then he's got a very good future in rugby. I think even Russell will be watching that game tomorrow, bro. Like, if he holds his own against that, like 100%, I'll even put money on he makes debut for the Springboks this year. Purely because in the centres we obviously need to start looking at our future. So if Marcus does very well against top end caliber like that, I'll 100% say he makes his debut for Springboks this year. Gonna be sick. But he's an ace though, bro. USA longs off the 500 fair value gap. Hey. Dude, I met O 2 weeks ago and man solid. He has his head and shoulders, very intelligent baller. Yeah, so I met him a while ago, bro. Through mates of mine. Very, very cool guy. Morning, gents. So I'm late, no stress, brother. But very down to earth. But knows what he's doing, bro. But I always said, like, that's the thing with the idiots of today that have egos and things like that. Like, in the sense of, he's not just naturally good. He's got a very good, like, I think if you want to have that term of game sense. So, like, he's also very intelligent on the field, if that's the right way to put it for you, if you get what I'm saying. So you can actually talk with him. He knows the rules very well. But lekker ook. But he's doing me proud though, bro. He's bringing back the mullet with me. He's making a strong comeback now. The mullet. But 100% Angara. As I haven't seen the team. Gallant is catching on too much cuck. Like, he is good. Like, I know he's a very controversial player at the moment, but he is good. But at the moment, he is just catching on shit. But also Stefan Angara, bro. I don't know what Dobby's thinking with that guy. We've got so many better scrum halves. Khan, you got Reynolds, bro, and then we starting that bloody Angara. Yes, that man is shit. Oh my word. Good morning, Chad. What's up, Grina? Keys, Damien and Marcus are centers. Are they the centers? Damien and Marcus. Damien 12, Marcus 13. I'm rating, eh? Yo, bro. I think it would be solid, eh? No, I'm just saying. I think it would be solid. Damien is very good at center. I still do think his best position is fullback. But because I think the more we're moving him around too much. I know he's a utility back, but we've turned him into a utility back. He originally is a fly half. And I think once you're at pro level, you can make a shift now and then. But I mean, bro, we've had him at fly half, we've had him at center, we've had him at fullback, and now flip, we've even had him on the wing. So I do, and obviously at that level, there is a completely different play style you need for those positions. So I think we are starting to confuse Damien a bit. But 12, he is good, especially that he put on size. So Gaza, I think, can do well there. With Marcus at 13, I think would be a very, very good. And Damien is quite solid on defense. I just want to see Marcus on how his defense is, especially with these bigger guys. But, bro, I think that would be a deadly combo. No, bro, Marcus must just focus on 13. if you think about it, especially if you talk about the ideal goal of him, like the Springbok path, what are the 13s we have right now? So if you take your Springbok choices, you've got obviously Krill. Next up, depending, I'd even say they're very close at the moment, but Krill and Moody. If you're going to start going anything after that, your next best 13, bro, I probably would have said, what's his Lions player? Is it Van Wyk? I know he's playing the Lions, bro. I can't think it's Fun something. Henku, yeah. He is solid. I think he has had a little bit of a slower performance now, but he is solid for 13. But I mean, if Marcus really performs, bro, I think he's gonna. That's what I'm saying. He could easily be getting his debut this year. So definitely Marcus can work his way in. So at 13, if he just sticks to it and really specializes in there, like, I really do believe he's got a good shot. Oh, he's a little monster. Nah, bro, he's solid. That's what I'll say. I think a lot of guys don't rate him, but I do. He is proper. Because if you think, Bulls, Sharks. Okay, I mean Sharks. We also have, but he got injured now, so he's out. Oh, flip, bro. Bro, I can't think of... Ethan Hooker is also very good 13, but obviously he's injured. So again, like, I think that's the one thing, and I'll give JP credit for that because I also believe it, bro. He said if you're good enough, you're old enough. And where he's really pushing the youngsters. Like, if they have that caliber of game, bro, and they a baller, let them play, bro. We've always said at the end of the day it comes down to art. So again, if Marcus is a baller, he's not going to drop you anywhere. Game time. So I think, again, actually talking about that now, especially with Ethan getting injured now, I think that really opens it up. So I'd definitely say 100% Marcus gets his cap this year. That's what I said, this weekend it's debut, but I think it's such an important debut for him.
Who's he playing for?
Stormers. But we're playing Glasgow Warriors, and their centre pairing is the British and Irish Lions centre pairing. So it's a massive game for him. So if he can handle them, bro.
Marcus Miller, why does it sound so familiar?
18-year-old who just finished school, Balchem, who's joined the Stormers. 5 months ago, right in matric. Now he's debuting for URC this weekend. Management is vital, yeah. But also, Etienne, what's your thoughts on this, eh? We were talking about it, Thingy actually made a video about it, where Jan-Hendrik Wessels, no proof, nothing, just allegedly grabbed the guy's balls and 9-week suspension, okay? Or 9-game suspension, basically the whole year done.
What do you mean 9 weeks, year done?
9-game suspension.
For grabbing the balls.
Yeah, and no proof, just allegedly that he grabbed the guy's balls. Last week,
I've played teams where in the line out, when you come down, they grab your nuts for you to leave the ball.
But last week, Ethan scores a try, bro. Like, you can go search it. Scores the try, like, bro's way behind him, so it's not like you were going to interfere anything. Dives on him, but dives straight on top of him into his back. Injures Ethan, he's done for the year. Out. Not even a yellow card. No off-field review, nothing. You had no chance. Full video proof. Like, all of this, bro. Like, cuck, man. Like, and he has a fair point. He says again, that's a typical thing now. Say it was the other way around, and that was a South African player who dived on him and injured a player. Bro, red card, 6-week ban type of thing. So for me, that was crap. But it's unfortunate for Ethan. But as I say, Ethan now doing it, it's opened the gap for Marcus. You're back in the NMU days when we played a few northern clubs, balls were grabbed in the lineouts.
Joe, my bro. Mona, you know that technique.
But I've also always said, bro, the guys here,
They go for the nut.
I mean, you play Super A League in Cape Town. It's proper rugby. Come play club rugby here in PE, it's Fight Club. Every game is just dirty, bro.
That's how my ear got an off as well. They rocked my ear off, bro.
First game,
Yo.
bro. We playing.
Go into the rack, come out of the rack. My ears literally dangling like that.
First game, we play Parks. Down on the field, bro. Everyone's obviously now targeting me. Go down. Yes, bro. And they rake me in my eye. There I lose my shit, bro. Throw Oaks off me. I'm out of that rack. I'm grabbing this Oak, bliksem in him. Literally 20 minutes later, they call the game. We're just fighting.
Who did you play for?
Police.
Police.
But I mean, Police and Parks is always a big game.
I remember, I don't know if you remember Gallet.
Yeah.
Gallet was the captain for Police, and he was the captain.
He was still playing captain when I was there.
And I pull his jersey over his head, and he stands up there and he's like, "Axa, yo, do it, beer." Axe for Galley. Yes, and they bliksem Chris Kelly, my bro. And I told Chris Kelly, like, if you psych the boys up, don't hang around the rucks. Like, they're gonna maul you. You gotta be smart with what you do and what you say, bro. Like a food processor, Chris Kelly's hanging around there. Kelly
But
off,
we
my
had
bro.
a solid team, bro. And then literally, our Dick passed away.
Yeah.
And then after that, we basically all just left. So all the guys, most of them are at Parks now. Robbie, all the guys, they all left.
Yeah, Chris Kelly, bro. I told him, dude, like, you gotta be. That's how I learned the hard way. We played Dispatch. I'm still there in the ruck. Ref is going away. Guy full on Nas Botas my nose, bro. I'm not talking about little kick. I'm talking like rugby ball, bro. Nose is like on this side of my face. I'm like, yes, dude. Run off the field to my dad. My dad's like, nah, let me try and fix this thing a little bit. Basically puts it back in shape. Then the ear and a half, the guy had those blades on. So he got the blade nicely like in my ear, and then he like, zap.
Bro, I'll never forget you. Now that we have great
Yeah.
guests this week.
Animals.
We play, obviously, the main field, Lucy Field.
Yeah.
We're playing Queens. So, obviously, it's a very black school. And now we've got one of our players, I'm not going to name names, but a shit stirrer. So he's saying, so firstly, they're getting upset now, bro. We have to do a scrum. They're getting upset. We like, Oaks, what the mood's going on? No, you just know they're calling each other things there. So I said, okay. Ref says, listen, I'll stand closer, but I can't hear anything. So this guy carries on. So our Oak tells him, listen, yeah, bro, snitches get stitches there.
Cho.
So he says, come on, why?
Snitches get stitches.
Bro, we standing on the side. We keep on, we're on the back line, in the back line. I'm here on blind side.
Yeah.
And I just hear this 3, 2, 1, and you just see that uppercut come through while that scrum's there, and you just take that head pop up. Back down, bro. Snort clap right in the face there, bro. Broken nose.
Yo, I hated the nut grab, bro.
Bro, but I always say to people, and I'm sorry, but if you're there now, or your kids are there now, that's not what it used to be. But we always just say, like, we used to love playing the private school boys because they're so soft, bro. They are such morphies.
Muffy mans.
But even grey now, bro, so soft. Like, they are nowhere near their glory days anymore. Not that they really had glory days, but they're nowhere where they used to be. Those boys are so soft now.
Great.
Bro, I swear though, if they do not lose this weekend, that is the most rigged festival in schoolboy rugby.
Keys, don't talk about Darnell School that way, my brother.
Bro, he's not there yet.
But he's going there. Come on, let's. Great.
They must get a new rector then, bro. That rector is useless. The previous rector was good, bro. I'll give it to him. And that's when Gray was in their glory days. This new rector. And that's where my mates who are even coaching and now they've even said. He just wants academics. That's why their sports has gone down.
Alright, guys, get ready.
All these tough rugby talks and then Cribber sound effects comes through. All our English school games were the power games are.
Okay, guys, let's get ready.
Ruben, I'm watching this, yeah. I'm watching. Bro, I'll never forget. We play Weinberg as the main game the one year at Weinberg Festival.
Yeah.
Bro, they are so soft. Those boys.
Weinberg.
Bro, the minute you do anything that is wrong, they cry like little girls. Like we always used to say, bro, you'd agree, you'd know. First 10 minutes, I'll even always say, first 10 minutes you will play the dirtiest rugby you'll ever play. Because a ref is very unlikely to want a card in the first 10 minutes. So you're going to push it like the first 10 minutes. For example, a little shoulder here, there, a late tackle, things like this. You're going to push it a bit. Bro, I late tackle this one oak. But one of those where, not even a tackle, like just a little shoulder check and he falls over. Bro, man goes on like he's a little soccer player there. Ref, what is this? He can't do that.
Moram.
Bro.
Bro, when we played the colored clubs. Number 5, toet sy pas.
Bro, but
Toets hom.
have you seen that? What's his name?
Hey-ho.
But that,
Hey-ho.
but you know, you said that was the best. Minute you schoolboy, especially on derby days, and their first team, they got like a big guy. Hey, bro, that old school stand convinced. Hey, Juice, I'll lick me fruit.
Hey.
But I will say, bro, Craven Week, they don't play there. I've always said that to the guys. If you big and you had Craven Week, bro. First game, we finished there. Sorry, please come with us. No, put your bag down. No, even go to your team.
No,
Nothing. They
can't.
straight. Come off that field. Come here.
Literally my first Varsity Cup game, opener against Marty's. Basically finished the game. Guys like, I'm like, bro, I just want to grab my bag. Like, no. And then when I had to pee, bro,
They stand on you.
They have to look at your.
Guys, I promise you, if Chris is peeing now,
They have to look at your penis. No, not behind you. He needs to see your penis, bro. And we literally like, and you have to get undressed, so you basically need to be from your chest down naked. And I'm like, dude, I can't go anywhere. Like, I'm in a corner. Can I just turn a little bit? He's like, no, he needs to see the pee come out of your. I'm like, dude, are you serious? He's like, no, he needs to literally see it exit my body into the bottle. I'm like, okay, give me a second. Like, I'm a little anxious here, even though I was in hostel for many years. It's the first time a guy has really looked at my thing that way, the way you're looking at it. Not even a little bit of foreplay. Bro, you're naked. Like, I had a shirt on instead. I was just like tucked the shirt in your kicks so like they can see. Yes, bro.
No, we were allowed to keep our shirts and
No, that man wanted
but
to
all
see
they were
my,
like is your pants has to go down.
You wanted
because they
to
need
see
to see your
my-
tights are down if you had tights on, anything like that.
you wanted
has
to
be
see
down.
my picker, bro. I'm like, dude, I'm just gonna turn a little bit just to so that I can't see you. I'm like, I'm gonna turn away to not see you. I'm like peek around, like yo.
So there's no oil changes.
No, Dane, it's like they want to make sure that you're not doing anything weird.
Yeah, you're not swapping
like,
anything out.
yeah,
you're not doing
or-
anything.
I know some guys said, for instance, at the Bulls, the guys would put like some type of detergent on their finger and they'll pee on their finger then into the bottle, so it messes up the entire test.
There's lots of ways they get around.
Yeah, so that's why they want to see.
But there's lots we're not allowed to talk about some of these
They
things.
want to see that pee.
Nah, bro. But when you think about it, I mean, they actually did a posting about it today, like how much money is put into schoolboy rugby for
it's a
first team
lot.
every year. Let alone the Craven Week and the sponsorship levels there. Then the guys that are signing contracts that obviously get bought from there. It's money, bro. So yeah. So you have to understand how the level it's at. You can't be buying a player, for example, getting yourself involved there, and then he comes out one game. Oh, we tested him. He's juicing. Now you in cuck.
I just want to quickly post my.
So it's really professional. I mean, Crib and myself were talking about it the other day. I mean, when you watch A class rugby, so your top schools. So not like we always say your B tier, C tier, and you've got D tier. Your A tier. When those guys are playing, look at the management of even just first team level. I mean, they are fully kitted the exact same way a professional team is kitted out. The amount of sponsorships they have, the way they travel for games. I mean, 90% of your games most of the time, okay, let's say 70% of your games you're traveling, and not in your city, you're traveling throughout the country. And it's hotels, it's the accommodation, it's everything like that. And then again, you still got all the gear. I said to people, when you watch the first teams, for example, play, your first team coaches are aside. You've got, let's say, your biokineticists or your doctors on the sideline with earpieces running alongside the fields, giving calls to the players. It's a whole, like we said there, it's $1 billion industry at schoolboy level. Then you think of, again, the way the guys spend money on scouts. Making sure kids are looked after, you get in the best talent coming in through the gate so you can lock them in as soon as you can. And part of your contracts is guys helping families out, helping with fees, helping things like that. So it's not only just a thing of we cover your school fees, there's a lot that goes into it. Keys, you see what I saw? Cribbo said get ready and didn't take a trade. Liquidity strats, still more confidence than Valtech. I'm just saying.
No, Ruan, you guys, boys, we on another level.
Do you remember Siabonga top? Yeah, bro.
There's no entry here, Ruan.
Eti, did you ever know or play against Didi from Pearson? Didn't you play against Didi?
Nah, bro, I was.
He either would have just been, I think, under you.
No, bro, Didi was. No, he's way younger than me.
Bro, Didi's
And Didi was with my boss's son at school.
No, bro,
with
Didi
Baron.
is...
No, he's young, my bro.
Didi's 5 years older than me.
Nah, bro, Didi is a child.
Bro, he's your age.
Didi is a child, my bro. Didi can be glad he didn't play against me.
Didi's year was big, bro.
Didi would have
They were crazy, bro. But, you know, Jono, we spoke about this the other day when I went to the
I would have
reunion
broken
weekend.
Didi's spirit, my brother.
I think even after my year, I think we had one more year where we had some decently sized guys. And after that, we haven't had big guys. Like, I'll at least say, bro, like, Johnny, you gotta agree with me, bro. Our first teams were big. Like, we had big first teams. Like, even your year, I mean, when I was there, I was with Lyndon and that. And me and Lyndon were talking about it. I mean, Lyndon himself as well was a tank, bro. I mean, UX had Jono, X. Like, you had some machines. Beast at one. Yeah.
Guys, no
units.
trade for me on Daxi. Just letting you guys know.
Bro, yeah, the tight five was heavier than the box. Yeah. Nah, bro, we had some big boys.
Sorry, man.
Ghani with another gold trade. Hey!
Bongananga mananga mananga. Ghani. Coming out on the tight side. Just the absolute unit. Big bonks. Sorry, Keeks, I'm just busy with my...
Go for it, bro. Mine's already done.
Yeah, I just want to post mine quickly.
Well, 2 of the 3 are done, and you just do one more later. Yeah, that's the only thing, and John, like we'll talk about the... I'll say the top boys, like schoolboys, let's even say the top 10 schoolboys currently in the country, they still obviously have that physicality side of size in them. All the other guys, they fit and they're strong, they ripped with their power to weight ratio, but they don't have that physical demanding presence. I mean, like, I think the last really big center at schoolboy level we saw was Ethan Hooker, and like people made a thing about it. Like, he is big, but I mean, that was a normal thing. I mean, even now, oh, what's his name? The 12 for Paul Riss. He's also quite big. I went to Sharks Academy after school, ended up playing first team college for 3 years, and under 21 Sharks level, best years of my life. Carl, what year was that, my brother? Were you with Miller? With Miller and Staples and those boys. Dude, it's the fighting dog. Some small guys. But
the oil, sorry my brother. Well, I am bullish, eh? So, like I told you guys this morning, while we hold above this level, it's just bull. What a song, my bro. In a Bloom.
Long bro too. Oh, okay. Oh, so just before me then, bro. Geez, you know the Staple brothers, bro. I played with them. So Fafa was with me at Viapia, and then his brother went to Sharks. Yeah, Fafa was with me, bro. He got engaged now the other day. Yeah. Francois. Staples, yeah.
Who was the guy that played at Marty's? Stapleberg.
I don't know who that is. I was with underestimates in first year Sharks Academy. Damn, bro, okay. But you... Actually, hold on. Carl, so you would have been with Bosch then, bro. I'm trying to think now. 2013, 2015. Yeah, either 20... Yeah, was it 2012 or 2013 was Bosch? Bosch was... I think Bosch was 2013 or 2014. Oh, they were cuck naughty. Really terrible. I'm more the one in Oslo, so bad experience wanted to come in and fuck caught up for them. Yeah, I know, they're little shits, bro. But they're like oaks.
Who's that?
The Staple brothers. They're twins, bro. But like, literally twins. One's started, one's lucid. But yeah. Ernst Stapelberg. I'm guessing that's the one you're talking about, Chris. Ernst.
Yeah, I know there was a Stapelberg when we played.
Bro, you know a center though who I played with, who his younger years was very hard. He's playing now for the Sevens, is Brits, David. When he was still playing at Marty's. That was a very good Marty's side, bro. They had Brits, they had Munir Hartenberg. Who was in their locks? But that was a very good Marty's side. Duncan Soul, that man's also, yeah, that man's a brick, bro. That's a big 13. Bosch's 2014 kicks, yeah. Bro, but it's crazy. Me and Dunk were actually on the other day because he put a little video where he's like, yeah, people don't prepare you for that. And he's like, unfortunately, I mean, he had junior box, played Curry Cup, went over to Cheetahs, played that last bit of Challenger Cup for them, and then just career died, bro. Agent didn't get him a new gig, and now he's a teacher and just coaching at schoolboy.
Who's that?
Duncan Sol. Very, very good player, bro. Man was built like a brick shithouse. David was good. Yeah, I think he just had a bad break at VPA with this. He's obviously being a center. We had good centers come up. David Brits. But he's doing well at the Sevens. No, he's not. That's just say he's not at his peak anymore. But I think he did move into Sevens was the right call for him. Alright, Marty's fly half. Wasn't it Kutsa? Or was Kutsa Brits went to Selborne, right? Yeah. If we're talking of the same David Kutsa, who was the fly half, I don't know if that was, I think he was actually after that one. He was also junior box fly half. He's also from Selborne. And he's so much smaller now, yeah. Yo, Eddie, I was laughing the one day, bro. We were at reunion weekend and we sitting there, and these youngsters come and sit in front of us and they're talking cuck, bro. But it's a typical thing. I said that you're old, because I was like, it's that thing. These kids are sitting there like, this uncle here doesn't know what he's talking about. Like, he doesn't know ball. It's like, hey, I'll teach you. Give me some boots now, and I'll take you guys to school on that field. Can I use Vaultfunder in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Yes, you can, Leon. I remember watching him at Craven Week and I was like, wait. Bro, but also you remember who else was very, very good? I was still actually with Chris myself were talking about it, was JJ Fundamesh when we had to play against him at Craven Week. He was playing for Sharks, bro. That man is a tank. Like, as big as he is now, that's how big he was at schoolboy. Like, he's huge. But what was his name? Also fly half. 2018, 2019. Also youngster, came from Paul Russ. He was also playing for VP now. Youngster, but he keeps getting injured. Actually, no, he's moved to Lions now. He's fly half for the Lions. Oh, what's his name? I will say, bro, that is a youngster. I must say, I had way higher expectations for him. Very, very good fly half. But he just hasn't. Cade, there we go, Cade. I really thought Cade was going to do a lot more. Like, I remember watching him at Craven Week and his schoolboy did so well. They took him up to under 19 and the age groups did super well. And then he went into URC and that off the bench for Stormers and just caught on cuck. Then he went to the Lions. He has been having better performances at the Lions, but I really expected a lot more from him. Keys, do you Nico Leonard? Nico Leonard, the name sounds familiar, bro. Nico Leonard. Cool, bro. You're gonna have to give me something there, bro. The name sounds familiar, but it's not ringing a bell here. He was in my class. He still played the green versus gold before COVID. Injuries just got the better of him. He did his right ACL and then his left ACL. Now, again, he's right. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, as I said, he definitely has had a. I think that's what actually caused a lot of his move from Stormers. I think with the age groups, and obviously you had Sasha coming up the rankings. I think he knew he was going to battle with game time. I think that's a big part of him then taking the opportunity. Go into Lions where they were kind of short on fly halves, and he knew he would have the game time coming back from injuries. But I think Cade is just getting very unlucky with injuries. A great player, but I think his body is just battling to keep up with him. But yeah, still has so much potential, bro. So much potential. Again, bro, we spoke about it. Thingy's son, do you know him, the dad? Fly half from Framesby. Oh, what's his name? No. He went over to France for a bit. He went to Sharks. No, bro. Now, like young, recent, bro.
What's the name, man?
He's yes, Wilkie, Brandon. Bro, also such a good talent. Freaking drank his bloody life away. That pisses me off, bro. When I know rugby players who genuinely have such a good talent and they just piss it down the drain. That Lati had so much talent, bro. Literally had to leave the Sharks because of problems. Goes overseas to France and then catches on cuck. And literally now he's not even playing. So...
Bro, which one would you say for the cover photo? This one.
That's very dark. I always want to say that was some more books, the bottom one.
Yeah.
But I feel that's more like the top YouTube style. I feel like that one is more Instagram style.
This one, yeah.
Instagram don't really like that, like weird style.
Okay, so
Ayo had so many juices we played against. He was also at Vietnam, played for Wing for Porus, tall rip guy. Actually, yes, I know you're talking about Etty. Nicolene was a tank on the Wing of Porus, 2014-15. We just need some of those youngsters to come through the box this year, especially after the World Cup next year. We called Niku Winstrel. Money, I was wing, my brother. So wing, secondary fullback, and then tertiary at outside centre. Etty, did you ever play against Craig, bro? Craig Dalglish. That man, bro. Absolute machine. Guys, I know we're talking a lot of rugby here today, but there's nothing on the market, so we're just talking, with the guys. Nothing on me for gold. Cribbers waiting for inch criterias. I'll never forget it, guys. I'm gonna see if I can find it. One of the nastiest bumps and things like that, bro. Craig, what a monster. Yo, bro, please watch this. Did you ever? No, it was under you. Craig, bro. Yes, geeks, machine indeed. This keeps us entertained at work, so talk away. Bro, this man, come and watch this, bro.
Craig, who?
Craig Dalglish. Monster, bro.
Who?
Craig.
Craig Bloom.
Check it this, yeah, bro. Bounce. Handoff.
Who's that playing there?
I have no clue who that is.
What position is that?
Anything, bro.
No, what
Played center, wing, fullback. Because he's fast, but he's built, bro. Never really played first team because he had a cuck attitude. But where is it, bro? There's the one, the try he scores against St Andrews, and then there's the hit in Paul Roos, bro. Oh my word. Where's just the...
Okay, sorry, Kicks, I need to lock in, yeah.
Yeah. So that's why.
Wait. Who's that?
Great bloom.
Yo.
Bro, smokes likes. Look at that. Where's...
Okay, wait, Keeks.
Oh, you like it there, bro.
I need to trade you, my brother.
Where's this the famous one?
Okay, guys, let's get ready. There we go. Okay, beautiful. 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes.
Hey, Trevor just watching, bro. This is that Paul rush. Right.
What is he doing? Yasty. Yasty.
Oh. Oh, what a machine.
Alrighty, guys. Let's get ready for trade. Two minutes. Just need to wait for this 5 to close and then we're gonna rip. Stop, so I'm gonna have to go above there. One minute 20. Okay, so all of that came out soft. Should be bearish. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's not nice. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in off my size. If we can get some pullback, I'll go full size. Alright. Four, three, two, one. Okay. It's me in the shorts here, ladies and gents. Stops just above that zone there. First target's gonna be down there. I don't actually think I'm gonna try and do anything more than that, to be honest. It is Friday. Stop is gonna be 68. Alrighty, here's our trade. Waited for our setup to present. Win or lose, rules were followed. That's what trading is about.
Damn, we have a trade, yeah.
Trader trade.
So this is the Vaultfunder now, bro.
This is the Valtech, my G.
Hey.
This is the Valiotech. Well, guys, just one thing to note: we are currently at the session value area low. So there's either going to be volume here, or it's going to go back in the range. Maybe refresh the sellers a little bit. But this area right here is quite a strong level. So we'll see. We need to see some volume below it. Some mix, my bro. Brokeback Mountain, Charles Leclerc. You said it sounds like Charles Leclerc.
Bro, 100%.
Oh, Charlesy. Oh, Charlesy. This value area keeps lowering. Go. Arctic entry on gold. Oh, I check. Yes, Ruan, I just wanted a little bit higher though. That nice round number. 4,700. Bro, I had way too much coffee this morning. Sure.
There's no such thing as too much coffee, bro.
That's too much, my G. Someone had to pop a urban one now. Someone developed some anxiety there, my bro. A little anxiety episode. Keys, how long do you think? Like 2 weeks consistency on the gram.
Yeah, 2 weeks of consistency with what's working. Obviously, if things aren't working, we also still need to then make changes. Has your numbers gone up already again?
Remember, I only started this week. Remember, this week was my first post in...
Slacking, bro.
I know, I did post last week, a week ago, first post.
Keeks, what trade you taking? Man's locked in there. No, bro, I'm not taking any trade.
I'm gonna add a position in 3, 2. Okay, that pulled back way too far.
Another man's adding position.
Hey, Keeks, I'm developing. I'm developing. Alright. I wanted to add some more there. I want to see if we can pull up again. Let's see if we can pull up again. We put it on the 1 minute. Okay, added a position there. Remember guys, I went in with half size, so I'm full size, so average is there basically. Just went the same size lot as I had, so just to keep my averages the same. Alrighty, there we go. DXY. Oh, DXY getting crushed, yeah. Yeah, it's popping now. I think we're gonna get pipped here, boys. Something came out here. HG. What is Dax trying to do here? Get ready to get pipped, boys. And wait for it. Pipped. Alrighty.
Bubs, I'm need to first see what this Vaultex's like.
Alrighty. No, I think that's me, guys. This is my bull bear level. Okay, so below, looking for sells. Like I said, the difficult part here for us is that we were trading into the value area low for the session. But yeah, anything below here, bearish, it is a little bit choppy, it is a little bit sideways. If we can get something clean to the upside, potentially. But we gave it a shot. This thing can still die down. But yeah, I'm not gonna go. I waited for my entry criteria. Entry criteria was perfect. Everything lined up. That's just part of trading. Oil already tested the zone this morning. DXY, like I mentioned, this is your bull bear level. So if the dollar is going to start trading below here, that's going to be bearish. US 30 still tucked in this range. So we're going to have to wait for that a little bit later. Nasdaq as well, bull bear level. just tipped it, but bullish above 26,938. Gold, again, same thing here. I want to look for shorts from there, or if we can get through bullish. BTC, that was our bull bear level there. Didn't get entry criteria though, guys, so did not get entry criteria, so still gonna wait for a little bit later. Relatively range bound, so we're gonna play inside of this range. And then Daxi, like I mentioned, it's a little bit choppy. If it's choppy like this, you can give it one shot, but there's no need to go and try and force anything. Okay, if you took your shot, didn't play out, it's Friday. If it's choppy like this, directionless, leave it. Okay. Keeks, any closing remarks, my brother?
Nah, that's it. I think a bit of a slow one here today, but as I say always, guys, not going to force anything. Nothing I like which meets my entry criteria, so no trade for me yet. So had one this morning, but that's my fault of missing it, and then I will see what New York session brings for me. So that's about it.
Alrighty, Chad, we're gonna see you guys on Monday. Have a peaceful weekend. Rest well, Prodigy. We're gonna see you guys 3 o'clock. I think it's got to be a banger into the week. Peace and love, Chad. We'll see you guys on the flip side.
Cheers.
Peace.
We'll disconnect the day, and you won't, 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 and you won't.
Shine
like a recent times when the sun comes to shine through, when the sun comes to shine, when the sun comes to shine through, when the sun comes to shine through, when the sun comes to shine through, when the sun comes to shine.
I don't need to wait for other people to join me to do the things that bring me joy. 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 Do the things that bring me joy.